यो प्रश्न हेरौं म तिमीलाई कसरी विश्वास गर्न सक्छु How can I trust you How can I trust you म तिमीलाई फेरि कहिल्यै धोका दिने छैन I will never betray you again I will never betray you again Betray भनेको धोका दिनु I will never betray you again You are watching Hamro English Guru YouTube channel Your place to learn English आजको भिडियोमा हामी यसरी नै प्रश्न उत्तरको अभ्यास गर्नेछौं Are you ready? Let's continue मैले यो तिमीलाई कहिले फिर्ता दिनुपर्छ When should I give it back to you? When should I give it back to you? उत्तरमा मलाई यो भोलिसम्ममा चाहिन्छ I need it by tomorrow. I need it by tomorrow. I need it tomorrow मात्र भनेको भए मलाई भोलि चाहिन्छ अर्थ हुन्थ्यो तर हामीले यहाँ by tomorrow भनेका छौं by tomorrow को अर्थ हुन्छ भोलिसम्ममा I need it by tomorrow. तिमी किन एउटै गल्ती दोहोर्याइरहन्छौ Why do you keep repeating the same mistake? Why do you keep repeating the same mistake? म यसलाई सही तरिकाले गर्ने कोशिश गर्दैछु I am trying to do it correctly. I am trying to do it correctly. Correctly को अर्थ सही तरिकाले I am trying to do it correctly. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, Hamro English Guru, if you haven't subscribed already. यो channel र हाम्रो online class दुवैलाई subscribe गरेर छेउमा भएको घण्टीलाई पनि बजाउन नभुल्नुहोला यस्तै महत्त्वपूर्ण भिडियोहरू कहिले पनि नछुटाउनका लागि के यो गर्नु सही कुरा हो Is this the right thing to do? Is this the right thing to do? के निर्णय लिने भन्ने कुरा तिमीमा भर पर्छ It is up to you to decide. It is up to you to decide. के म तिमीलाई पछि फोन गर्न सक्छु Can I call you later? Can I call you later? तिमी जब चाहन्छौ तब मलाई फोन गर्न सक्छौ You can call me anytime you want. You can call me anytime you want. यदि यसले काम गरेन भने के गर्ने What shall we do if this doesn't work? What shall we do if this doesn't work? यसको उत्तर हामी अर्को तरिका खोज्नेछौं अथवा पत्ता लगाउनेछौं We will find another way. We will find another way. के तपाई प्रयास गरिरहनुहुन्छ Will you keep trying? Will you keep trying? म सफल नभएसम्म प्रयास जारी राख्नेछु I will keep trying until I succeed. I will keep trying until I succeed. Succeed भनेको सफल हुनु. I will keep trying until I succeed. के तपाई आफ्नो आमा बुवालाई माया गर्नुहुन्छ? Do you love your parents? Do you love your parents? P-A-R-E-N-T-S Parents नभन्नुहोला Parents. 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 Do you love your parents? उत्तरमा म मेरा आमा बुवालाई अरु सबै भन्दा बढी माया गर्छु. I love my parents more than anything else. I love my parents more than anything else. Be sure to like and share this video. यो भिडियोलाई लाइक र शेयर गर्न अवश्य नछुटाउनुहोला. त्यसपछि के भयो? What happened after that? What happened after that? म बाँकीको कुरा तिमीलाई अरु नै कुनै दिन भन्नेछु. I will tell you the rest some other day. I will tell you the rest some other day. The rest भनेको बाँकीको कुरा, यहाँको अर्थमा. I will tell you the rest some other day. यदि मलाई मद्दत चाहियो भने मैले के गर्नुपर्छ? What should I do if I need help? What should I do if I need help? उत्तरमा यदि तपाई एक्लै गर्न सक्नुहुन्न भने म तपाईलाई मद्दत गर्नेछु. I will help you if you can't do it alone. I will help you if you can't do it alone. Alone को अर्थ हुन्छ एक्लै. I will help you if you can't do it alone. के तपाई टेलिभिजन हेर्न मन पराउनुहुन्छ? Do you like watching television? Do you like watching television? I rarely watch television. I rarely watch television. यसको अर्थ हो यदाकदा मात्र हेर्छु. I rarely watch television. के ती दुईजना साथीहरू हुन्? Are those two friends? Are those two friends? उनीहरू विरलै एकअर्कासँग बोल्छन्. They rarely talk to each other. They rarely talk to each other. के यो गर्ने मान्छे तिमी नै हौ? Are you the one who did it? Are you the one who did it? मलाई त्यसरी नहेर. Don't look at me like that. Don't look at me like that. यहाँको अर्थमा मैले गरे हो जसो गरेर मलाई नहेर भन्न खोजेको हो. Don't look at me like that. के तिमीलाई यस बारे सबै कुरा थाहा छ? Do you know everything about it? Do you know everything about it? तिमीलाई सबै कुरा थाहा भए जस्तो नाटक नगर. Don't pretend like you know everything. Don't pretend like you know everything. Pretend भनेको नाटक गर्नु. Don't pretend like you know everything. तिमीले कसरी सत्य कुरा थाहा पायौ? How did you find out the truth? How did you find out the truth? Find out थाहा पाउनु अथवा पत्ता लगाउनु. How did you find out the truth? तिमीले सत्यलाई सधैँको लागि लुकाउन सक्दैनौ अथवा सत्यलाई सधैँको लागि लुकाउन सकिदैन. You can never hide the truth forever. You can never hide the truth forever. तिमीले मसँग किन झुटो बोल्यौ अथवा तिमीले मसँग झुटो किन बोल्यौ? Why did you lie to me? Why did you lie to me? Lie भनेको झुटो बोल्नु. Why did you lie to me? अब यसको उत्तरमा मेरो झुट बोल्नु बाहेक अरु कुनै विकल्प थिएन. I had no other choice but to lie. I had no other choice but to lie. Choice विकल्प. I had no other choice but to lie. अब यो अर्को प्रश्न हेरौं. तिमीले त्यो किन किनेनौ? Why didn't you buy it? Why didn't you buy it? त्यो अति नै महँगो थियो. It was too expensive. It was too expensive. Expensive को अर्थ हुन्छ महँगो र too expensive भनेको चाहिँ अति नै महँगो. It was too expensive. के धेरै ढिलो भइसक्यो? Is it too late? Is it too late? अब यसको उत्तर हेरौं. धेरै ढिलो कहिल्यै हुँदैन. It is never too late. It is never too late. यसको अर्थ हो केही काम गर्नको लागि धेरै ढिलो कहिल्यै हुँदैन. अहिले सुरु गर्नुभयो भने पनि गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ, भ्याउनुहुन्छ. त्यही नै हो. आजको भिडियोलाई यति नै. This much for the video. Be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. र यो च्यानल र हाम्रो अनलाइन क्लासमा भएका सबै भिडियोहरू एक गरी हेर्न पनि नछुटाउनु होला. राम्ररी बस्नु होला. Take care. Have a beautiful day.